Replacing a front wheel bearing can be a challenging but manageable task. Wheel bearings are crucial for the smooth rotation of your wheels, and if they start to fail, you might hear a grinding noise or experience handling problems. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to replace a front wheel bearing. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface and the parking brake is engaged. Use a jack to lift the front of the car. Place jack stands under the vehicle for added safety, ensuring the car is securely supported. Use a lug wrench to remove the lug nuts and take off the front wheel. This will expose the hub assembly, where the wheel bearing is located. To begin removing the brake components, start with the brake caliper. Use a socket wrench to remove the bolts that secure the brake caliper to the rotor. Once the caliper is detached, next remove the brake rotor. Depending on your vehicle, the rotor may be secured with retaining screws, which you will need to remove. To remove the hub assembly, start by loosening and removing the axle nut, which holds the hub assembly in place. Use a large socket and a breaker bar to break the nut free. Next, use a socket wrench to remove any bolts securing the hub assembly to the suspension. Once all the bolts and nuts are removed, carefully pull the hub assembly off. To remove the old bearing, you will need to use a bearing puller or a slide hammer, depending on the design of your wheel hub. Once the bearing is removed, it's important to clean the area thoroughly. Remove any old grease, dirt, or debris from the hub assembly to ensure that the new bearing can be installed in a clean and smooth environment. When installing the new bearing, start by applying a small amount of grease to it, if necessary. Next, carefully press or tap the new bearing into place using a bearing press for a precise fit. Ensure the bearing is seated properly and securely inside the hub assembly to avoid any problems once reinstalled. To reassemble the hub assembly, carefully place it back onto the suspension, ensuring that it aligns correctly with the suspension components and the bolt holes. Once in place, reinstall the axle nut, making sure to tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque settings using a torque wrench. This ensures the nut is secure and the wheel bearing functions properly. Next, reattach the brake rotor, aligning it with the hub assembly, and then reinstall the brake caliper, securing it with the appropriate bolts. Finally, make sure to reattach any other components that were removed earlier. Once the hub assembly is reassembled, place the wheel back onto the hub, ensuring it aligns properly with the bolt holes. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque setting. This ensures that the wheel is securely attached and will perform safely during driving. With a little patience and attention to detail, you can ensure your vehicle's wheel bearing is properly replaced and your car is ready for the road.